observe and watch things grow, learning science as we go. Baking soda makes bubbles pop. With vinegar, it just won't stop. A fizzy show, a foamy blast. Science is a total blast. Balloon inflates with magic air, but really there's science everywhere. Watch colors swirl and rockets zoom. In Haider's lab, there's always room. Plants can grow in sunlight bright, or bend and twist to seek the light. Rainbows shine with water spray. We learn and laugh the Haider way. Magnets pull and nettles stick. Explore the world, it's science magic. Water freezes, ice turns clear. Let's see what happens, science is here. Slime that stretches, gooey fun. In Haider's lab, the fun's begun. Vinegar makes an egg go bounce. Science works, let's try and count. Volcanoes made of clay and sand. Eruptions right at your command. Spinning tops and bouncing balls. Gravity makes them rise and fall. Static shocks with combs and hair. Bubble balloon and lifted in the air. Racing cars on ramps we slide. Friction slows the speedy ride. Electric circuits, switch them on. Watch the light bulbs brightly dawn. So many things to try and see. Science is for you and me. So grab your gear, let's make some fun. With Haider Kids, science has begun. Learning's cool and that's the truth. Science fun for every youth. Subscribe Haider Kids.